Hey, Garrick Wordmuller here, President CEO, Fresh Home Loan Inc., independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. Thanks for watching this short video. I promise it will be a fantastic use of your time. So what I'm going to do here is map out what we call our real-time referral program. And how this works is it starts with you sending us a lead. And from there, it's our job to follow up like green on a pickle, as we like to say. And we kind of think of leads like seeds. And so my job is to plant this seed and create an oak tree for both your business and mine. So how this works is 100% through solid follow-up, good old-fashioned phone calls, and on Thursday morning, our team calls leads and what we call our pre-approved and looking. And people you're taking out shopping, right, on the weekends, we call them every week as appropriate. If they don't need to call every week, they're a little bit colder or out of town or whatever the case may be, they may get a different form of communication. That said, we follow up as appropriate and right before the weekend to update them, freshen the pre-approvals, etc. But we go even one step further in what we call future casting, where we do to avoid discouragement, right? Like just, keep the faith. Imagine yourself barbecuing in that backyard, whatever the case may be, but we do try to talk up the end result here, which is them closing the transaction and buying a home. Before I hang up, do you have any friends, family, or coworkers looking to buy or sell? And so every week we're calling, and if they say no, then the answer is no. And if they say, oh yeah, by the way, Nancy over at my gym just mentioned it, we send Nancy to you right away as soon as we have the contact information. Boom, real-time referral. Then we get into contract, and it's Tuesday, and we call and update the borrower and co-borrower on Tuesday as to what's going on in the transaction. They both have, of course, separate friends, family, and coworkers. And so we update them, make them feel warm and fuzzy. And then, oh, by the way, before we go, do you have any friends, family, or coworkers looking to buy or sell? And if they have someone, boom, we turn it around and send them to you. And then we close escrow. Everyone's happy. We've got our past client. This is wonderful. Then we add them to our family of past clients. And on Wednesdays, we try to get through 2 letters a week. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. But basically what that means is we're calling our database, your and my database, 4 times a year. By the way, do you have any friends, family, or coworkers looking to buy or sell? So we're handling your business and asking for referrals in the front, in the middle, and on the back end. So you can imagine over time how powerful this is. And I will tell you, we get about 1 deal a month from about every 100 past clients or so. I think it's a little more than that, but it's a very, very powerful tool. I hope you consider it and try it out. The more leads you send us, the better we're going to do in taking care of them. And these are like genuine, solid leads, not some Zillow lead I purchased that I'm trying to send you or anything like that. This is good, solid business and a team effort.